Hello everybody. Today we're going to see how I draw Rarity. So first I'm going to start off with a quick sketch. It's going to be super light, but it's basically just for me to get an idea of where everything's going to be, to make sure I know where I'm going to put everything. If you want to see how I'm doing this, I can always do more videos later, but for now I'm just doing this for myself because I'm going to come back in with a darker Sharpie for you to see in a second. But for now I'm just to make sure I get all my spots for what I want to draw. Let's see. I'll draw a tail there. Sort of fun and crazy. Draw another loop of it there. She's got fun loopy hair. Like that. Okay. And let's draw some eyes for her. Just to make sure I get everything in the right place. She's got some pretty hair that comes out like that. And again, more loops. Something like that. And I think we're almost done. Or at least ready for the next part. Let's do another loop like this. And that'll give me enough to get started, I think. And make sure everything is in enough of a space of the camera. So I'm going to go ahead and get started. And I'm going to switch over to sharp markers so you can, or dark Sharpies, so you can see what I'm doing here. And this will give you a better detail of where we're going to go. So I've got my sketch out. I know where I'm going to put everything. So let's go ahead and just start out with this hair. That's going to be the biggest thing that's going to tell me where I'm going to go. So I'm going to draw a loop like that from about right here. Okay. So I'm just going to come back around, draw a little curly Q like that, and bring it around to about right there. And that's going to be the top of her hair. From here, I can just build off of this. So I'm going to close off the hair, come over like this, and come down, and kind of loop back up to the hair like this. Then I'm going to draw the other half of the hair, which is going to loop back around and follow it around and do that. Actually, I'll stop right about there. So we're just going to come up and follow that other line, and then reconnect to it right about there. And that's going to be her pretty hair, and we'll add some little pretty lines in there in a second. I'm going to go ahead and draw her horn right here, or unicorn horn, unihorn. And so her head's going like this, so I'm going to go ahead and draw that line. No, actually, you know what? I'm going to draw her nose. I know her nose is going to come up like this, and then I'm going to draw to the bottom of her chin to that nose. And that's going to come from about right here, not touch, but get close and connect like that. And then I can draw the top of her head. It's going to go like this and connect it back over there to the top. And then I can draw the back of her head back here, about right there. I'm going to come up just a little bit and then draw her ears. Come back down like that. She's got a little line in there like that for her ear. And her hair, now that I've got the bottom of the chin, I can draw the rest of her hair. And I'm going to do another, just like that, I'm going to do one here. Oh, you know what? Let's connect this. Like that. And then one more here to connect that. That'll curly cue that, right? So I'm going to do another one here. So I'm going to start on the inside, and I'm going to loop it around. And come back to under her chin. Then I'm going to connect all this. So I'm going to start with this inside line here. Just connect it like that, so I got an idea of where everything is. Connect that. bring this down like this, and I'm gonna arch a line right here to connect that, and then I'm going to connect this right here. So I'm gonna go like that, and then draw the bottom of her hair up to her chin like that. And that's a little curlicue that comes off of that side. So now I'm going to, let's see, this leg is in the front, so I'm going to go ahead and draw it first. So I'm going to draw a line all the way down like this, back over here, and then draw another line down to that. Or let's draw from this since we already have there. Let's just follow this up to about right there. And then I'm going to have her kind of prancing up with one leg up, and I'm going to be behind her body, so I can go ahead and draw the rest of her right here. So I'm going to make this line come up to her neck like that. And so now I want this line for her other arm to be up. So I'm going to start about here, go up, come down to about right there. Going to arc it like that. And we're going to do the same thing here. We're just going to go like that and connect it to there, and that'll be good for that. Let's see, I'm going to go ahead and draw the rest of her body right here. So I'm going to draw a line up like that, and then these legs are going to be from that body line now that I have it. So I can go ahead and draw one line down here a little bit higher than that, just because it's back behind it. And then I'm going to arc it back like that for her foot. And I'm going to, since I know where my sketch is, I know where that's going to be. But to help you out, let's just go ahead and do this. Let's do her body. So I'm going to bring it around like this, down a little bit, and finish it like that. So now I'm going to come up just a little bit, go back, and then connect it right there. Connect it. And we're going to do two lines to there for her back leg. So do another one. Connect it like that, and then we're going to notice I haven't done the eyes yet. We'll see why. Now we're going to do her big wispy tail. So I'm going to do a big line like this, and that's going to show me where to connect everything. So I'm going to draw the inside of it like that, follow it around, make another one, and come down to about right there, not quite the edge. And I'm going to bring this down like that. And then I'm going to connect this up here. So I'm going to follow this and connect right there. So about right there, I'm going to come out and do that. And I'm going to do the same thing here. I'm going to come down, I'm going to go out, and then we're going to go up, and then we're going to connect it like this, and then we're going to make a loopy loop for that part. And then here I'm going to do another one. I'm going to do one of those curlicues like that. And again, I'm going to connect it like this because I know that's the outer edge. I know that's going to connect like that. I know this is going to connect like this, but I've got to make the other line. So I'm going to come out and connect like that. So I've got pretty much everything I want to do. I'm going to go ahead and do some eyes real fast. And what I'm going to do is start about right here, bring it down to there. Let's do the other one since we want to make them look the same. Down like that. And the pupils we'll do with the big Sharpie. I'm going to do a big line like that. So I want that one and that one. So the rest of this I'm going to do with a thinner Sharpie, just so it'll stand out a little bit more. Okay, so there's a highlight there. We're going to do that. Highlight there. We're going to do that. Another one there. Another one there. And then we're going to color all that in with the big Sharpie. But now that I've got the smaller one, I'm going to do the rest of the eyes. So I'm going to do the iris like that. Do another iris like that. And then the bottom of her eye, I'm going to do like that. And it'll make more sense when I color it. And do it like that. And do a couple lines for her horns. Her horn. Not a bunch. It's horn. Okay, so let's see, we're going to do some artsy lines now to show her hair. So I'm going to start here. I'm going to kind of do the same thing like that. I'm going to do one like this, one close like this, and another one out like that. And you could do however you want. I'm just kind of doing it that way just to see how it comes out. So now I'm going to do another one like this, kind of follow that arc too. But I'm going to start here. And I'm just going to do like that. And do another one in, out like that. And let's do some in here. So we're going to follow this like that. I didn't really pick a certain spot. I just found a place that I thought I would like. And so let's give her a little smile, a little wider right there, a little bit of a nose like that. And let's do some lines in her hair here too. So we're just going to follow this line, and I'm going to do that one too, but that's covering it so we can't see it. So same thing here. I'm going to follow like this, and these are just to just give it a little bit of our own style. So it doesn't have to be 3. You can do whatever you like. Let's see. Let's do some more for these, and then we'll come back and do her little insignia diamonds, right? So I'm going to follow it inside and just do another one like that. I think I'm going to do one more. Same thing. Just like that. And let's do one for here too. How about 3? Okay. Let's do one for here, there, and a couple here. And let's follow this around like this. Might as well do it like that. Finish that off. Okay, so now I'm going to draw the little diamonds on her. So let's draw one diamond like this. And basically a sideways square. You know what a diamond is. There's another one here. I'm going to kind of follow that point. Kind of do the same height so that they're all equal. But if it doesn't, that doesn't matter. You draw how you draw. And I'm going to do the detail on that with color. So one last thing I'm going to do is just color in those pupils real quick. Just so that'll make a little more sense for you. And then I'll add the color for the iris. And that will look better too. So let me show you the color. As far as the drawing, that's Rarity. So here is my colored version. You could do it however you like. I just thought I'd show you how I decided to color it. If you'd like to color it like this, you can always pause the video here and use the coloring techniques that I used. Or you can just make it your own. Remember, this is how I draw. You draw how you draw. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more adventures of how I draw. Plus, don't forget to hit that notification button to be updated about each new video.